For our first dish, we have almond financiers with duck liver mousse. The mousse was very rich and had a lot of duck flavor, but I felt like it was overly salty. The financiers went well because they were slightly sweet and had a texture like cornbread.
Silken egg tofu, garlic chili crunch with hoshimoji mushrooms. Enjoy.
The silky tofu was unique because it had the lighter flavors of the tofu against the stronger flavors of the mushroom and chili oil. It was also served chilled, which was different from most of the other dishes.
The Manila clams had a lot of umami from the miso sake broth.
This dish is the charcuterie dumpling. It has a unique green wrapper with a meat filling and fresh ram pesto. The dumpling was very well cooked because the filling was still juicy and the wrapper was still a little bit bouncy.
The fried quail had a crunchy breading with pumpkin seeds, and it was topped with some cheese shavings.
Besides these dim sum-like dishes, they also have main dishes like steak. This one had 4 pieces of steak with grilled cabbage and a butter sauce. This was probably one of my favorites because the meat was pretty rare and the sauce made everything extra creamy. The cabbage was sweet and had a unique flavor from the grill.
We ended the meal with World Peace peanut muscovado milk, which was sweet, rich, and a little nutty.
Dining at State Bird Provision was a fun experience, and I liked the half dim sum style ordering system. I especially liked the squid salad because it was creamy and the chickpeas were a little bit crunchy. And another dish that I enjoyed was quail because the pumpkin seeds on the batter was pretty crunchy and it was flavorful.
So there were some really unique dishes like the tofu with the spicy sauce, and also I like the dumpling with some